Next example, integration of 9 plus x square upon 9 dx, 1 upon 3 under root 3 square plus x square dx. Is it clear? Now which formula we are going to use? Integration of a square plus x square dx, this is equal to x a square plus x square upon 2 plus a square upon 2 log mod of x plus a square plus x square plus c. Okay. So now we are getting integration of 1 by 3 now x 3 square plus x square upon 2 plus 3 square upon 2 log x plus 3 square plus x square plus c. Now what it becomes? Now this becomes 1 upon 6 x 9 plus x square plus 9 by 2 log x plus 9 plus x square with 1 by 3 also here. So it becomes 1 by 3 plus c, and finally we are having 1 by 6x 9 plus x square plus 3 by 2 log x plus 9 plus x square plus c. Answer. Okay, simple question.